Gaan we swem. Vat hom. He wants to go, but this mud is quite deep. Milo was really muddy and I had to give him a bath, and that's the easiest way to give him a bath. Milo? Very easy to give him a bath. There's a backflow here, he won't go far. Now the river, there's a monkey. They've been on those islands through the whole flood. They've been trapped on those islands. I've heard them every time I came here. So the river is now at about 800 cubic, and my prediction of it rising to about 1,800 cubic from the recent rain seems to have been accurate. The flow now at Prishka is about 1,834, I think it was, and then you'll see it go down Uppington and Blowpitch 800 cubic. So we'll probably see 1,800 here. That's just more than double what it currently is, and after that it should start to drop down completely. He's chasing dragonflies. That's his favorite pastime, is chasing dragonflies. I want to show some footage that I took after the flash flood, and there was so much footage and there was so little time to work on it, which is part of the reasons why those videos were so long. I couldn't edit them, I didn't have the time to edit them further down, but I did go up the bottom of the kloof, the gorge, where the water was dropping down into. Walked up it just to see what it looks like after the rains. Now normally it doesn't change at all, but I wanted to see maybe there was some water left and I could show the waterfall from the bottom. And while walking up it, I saw the leopard tracks yet again. But let me show you that. It's almost like driving on a highway now, because the river just smoothed everything out. I'm just gonna go slowly. Like that. So there I've just sunk in completely. Yeah, you don't wanna get stuck in that. That's the leopard. So the leopard's been here since yesterday. So there's still a little bit of water flowing here. This is also where we set up the trail cam and got pictures of the leopard. So that's baboon. Now that's leopard. That's leopard for sure. That's leopard for sure. So the leopard's been here since the rains. Yesterday, maybe this morning. So I have shown this waterfall in the past in an older video. I just wanted to see how much it has changed. And then that one is very difficult. This one is... let's have a look at the water. I always have to look at the water. The attraction that running water has for mankind. And this is too slippery to get up it. No grip. That's all that remains of that huge mass of water that flowed down this kloof. And I would really have loved to see this, but I had to make a choice. I had to come in over from the top or from the bottom, and two reasons I went in from the top. First of all, you can walk further into it from the top. Second, I know I can walk in and out. Here I'm not sure, with that mass of water you wouldn't really be able to reach it. The next time it rains, I'll come in from the bottom and then walk up to that point, and then we'll see it from here. Anyways, that is the bottom side of this gorge. So that was the day after the rains, after the flash flood. I just drove up, walked up to see the waterfall from the bottom up. If I see it happening again, which will probably be sometime in the next 10 years, I'll try and get video footage from the bottom up. Anyways, the next couple of weeks will be extremely busy. I might make videos, I might not get around to them, but whatever happens, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. He's chasing the dragonflies. I think he's clean now. We can go home. Wet feet. Milo, he can't get enough of the river. The river really dries fast. I put this on at 8 o'clock last night, and I've already left it too long. It's about 13-14 hours. I should take it off at about 10 hours. And that's my raisins.